Can you see this animated border around the card? You can easily make this effect or another variation like this or this just by using Elementor. We will need to add one code snippet here, which I have added in the description below. Honestly, it took me some days to figure this out because I watched some other tutorials and their code kept giving me errors. The method I'm using is actually quite simple and you'll also make this within minutes. Now, here are the cards I've created and I'll be adding an animated border to them. But before that, whenever I'm doing some design work for clients, I make sure to install this free plugin Airlift because, okay, let me actually show you this. So that's my site speed before and that's after. It does a lot of optimizations automatically and keeps stuff fast. So you should definitely try this and I'll leave the link in the description below. Alright, now on our page, let's click the topmost container. We'll go to Advanced, then Custom CSS and paste the code which I've put in the description below. Then from the top, copy this line, which is the class name. Then we'll go here and click on the first card. And inside that, go to CSS class and paste it here. Alright, now let's go to Style and change the border radius to somewhere around this so that the effect curves at the edges like this. I'll duplicate the tabs 2 more times like this. Now this code is very easy to play with. Like if I wanted to change color on the top of the card, I'd first go here and find my color, then copy the value and come and paste it here. Same way, I can change the color for the bottom. For the sides, I'll just use a lighter shade like purple. I can also adjust the border width by changing this value. By the way, I love exploring Elementor and if such videos are helpful, do subscribe below because that motivates me to make more of these. Okay, now please be brutal and comment below if this tutorial sucked or you liked it. In this 3-minute video, I'll show you a free plugin to triple your site speed. You're really gonna thank me for this, so click here and I'll see you there.